Hello again everybody, I have another mini disc video for you today. It's an unboxing of a mini disc that I bought on eBay. This is well wrapped. It's one I bought, although it's not working, it might be an easy fix, and I do like fixing this sort of stuff. I do tech support and computer repairs for a living. It was also my hobby before it was a job. So it wasn't just the mini disc that I wanted to buy here, it was the discs that came with it, and I got a pretty good price, and I thought, hey, I can make a video of it, someone might be interested. Hard to get into the packaging though, especially on camera. That'll do it. I really don't need to be buying any more mini discs, to be honest, mini disc players or mini discs. I've got a ton of mini discs at the moment I want to do videos on and then move on. There we go, at last. That's pretty well packaged. Okay, so it's very well packaged. You haven't got anything better to do than watch this, have you? Right, so this is the broken mini disc. Now I've already got this one, which I love. It's a bit smaller than this. I don't like the camera bulges on these ones. So the one I like is the MZ N710. That's my recorder. I've got a player as well, which is very lightweight for taking out with me. But this is again, it's NetMD. It's the N707 MZ-N707. You know, it's pretty nice. It's in pretty good condition. I really like to buy them ones with hardly a mark on them. But the problem with this one is it doesn't appear to play. Now, I don't know whether you can see that. I'm going to try and zoom in. There's your corrosion. Now, the problem is it was left with a rechargeable battery in it for years and years. For God's sake, people, if you've got electrical stuff that you're not using, take the batteries out, because this corrosion basically destroys circuitry. And the lady said it doesn't work unless it's sitting in the cradle with power. But it might be that I can get this one working. I haven't got any batteries handy at the moment, but she said it doesn't work. Now, I don't really like these ones with the bulge on the back that take the AA batteries. I prefer this type where it takes the gumstick battery, because although they don't have as much power, these things, they work for long enough, many hours playing mini discs. So anyway, I'll be probably doing a refurbishment video or a fix-it video on this one. Because it'd be nice to get it going, because it's like, that's a plastic front on it, I think. It's all plastic. But it's not a bad looking machine, and be handy maybe, you know, for change, use it in the garden, or when I go out for a walk. But this is one of the reasons I wanted to get this one, because it came, I think it was about £42 or £47 or something, but with the mini discs. I have, at the time of making this video, I might have uploaded another video before this one, but I have never opened a sealed mini disc. But I just like the look of the packaging. I'm interested in the packaging. I'm interested in the design of these things as well. And this came with two of these, and these I've already got some of these, but I've never opened one, so I don't know what they're like on the inside. But that's the point of a future video. Don't know whether I've got any handy, but I've got a ton of other ones like these. They're all packed. I like the colour ones. And what I intend to do, if I haven't already uploaded the video, is find some that have been opened and have a look at the boxes and the design of the mini disc, and then get duplicates, and then I can open one and see what it's like, and then I'll have the original in its wrapper and one that's opened. And these are for HMV, which I don't think is with us anymore, as of April 2019. But $6.99 for 5 discs, so good deal back in the day. A bit more expensive now on eBay. But we do have the cradle to this mini disc. Let's have a look at that. Needs a bit of a tidy up. Hey, it's me. So this will charge nickel metal hydride and NiCad batteries. Now, one thing you've got to watch out for is those gumstick batteries are either nickel metal hydride, they're more modern ones, or NiCad, and you can't use a NiCad charger to charge the nickel metal hydride batteries. It will charge them, but it will reduce the life dramatically. So what I guess this is, you can either put a nickel metal hydride in there or a NiCad, which are really old fashioned now, and it will charge either. And the reason you shouldn't charge one with the wrong charger is they accept different charging currents, and they can tell, the circuitry tells when they're full by the level of charge, and it tops off on one type, and on the other type it just gives a trickle charge. So it's important to get the right charger. But apparently the circuitry inside this, so your power will go back in now, and inside the player itself, my guess is it detects what type of battery it is and charges. So that would be quite handy. You stick a rechargeable one in, you leave it on the power when you're not using it, and then you just pick it up when you want to go and take it away, and it'll be charged. So another reason why I wanted this is for the charger, because I have a charger which I can't show you right now, and I had to do a repair on it. But this is a 3 volt 500 milliamp charger, and providing the cable, the end fits, then this will be good, because the one I had frayed. Now it's still working. I've done a repair, but it's a right bodge job, but it does work. It's electrically safe. So this is a good spare charger for me. It'd be nice to have that confirmed it's an original one, but no way to tell really. And what else we got? Oh yeah, a little tangled mess of cable here. Let's get rid of that. So this is illuminated, this one. I think it's an illuminated one, and I think it's the one I did check beforehand. It's the one that goes with, look, the hold button's on there, so I wonder whether that's why it wasn't working. So this is the correct one for that particular model. Oh, it's right grimy. Can't really see that, it's not focusing, it's horribly grimy. So I will clean that up. And also the instructions. Now what I'll do is I'm going to plug that in. So if you're hearing this part, then it worked. If you're not hearing this part, then I've edited it out and no one will ever know. So let's find a power supply socket. That one will do. Clear a bit of space. But that box itself is heavy. So forgive me, this is unplanned, this part. Zoom in a little bit. Yeah, I can hear it. Let's bring a disc in. I do like these coloured discs. I'm not going to play the music for it because it's going to end up getting the video taken down for copyright infringement. So let's have a look. Bit of 80s retro music, that's Howard Jones, one of his albums. So that is working. Let's grab a battery. Normal alkaline battery in. See if we can get any life out of it now. No. Nothing from that. But those contacts are pretty manky. So a little bit of a clean up. Now I will probably end up doing a video on this one for a repair, like a refurbishment on this. You do not want this stuff falling inside. I'm going to take it off camera so I can do it. But what happens is that corrosion gets down into the circuitry and basically rots the circuit board. It's all over the inside of that now, so I'll have to get cleaned up properly. But let's put a rechargeable battery in. Should be charged. No, nothing. So it could be that all the connections from these battery terminals to the inside circuitry have been eaten away by the corrosion.